Salt, pepper and lemon can solve these 9 problems better than any medicine. Actually, many people around the world use these ingredients to treat everyday ailments. Another reason may be the expensive medical care, so that is why many people are trying natural homemade remedies. Here is what you can treat with black pepper, lemon and sea salt: sore throat. Get rid of your sore throat by combining 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of sea salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle a few times daily to relieve your sore throat and prevent coughing. Stuffy nose. Relieve the stuffiness of your clogged nose by sneezing. Mix equal amounts of black pepper, cinnamon, cumin, and cardamom seeds into a mortar and pestle and grind until you make a powder. Smell the mixture slowly and embrace the sneeze. Remove gallstones. The hardened deposits of digestive fluids that form in your gallbladder are called gallstones. They can block your digestive system and can be quite painful. Usually, they are surgically removed. Also, there are people who treat this problem with natural remedies. Take 3 parts of olive oil and 1 part each of lemon and black pepper to dissolve the stones. Canker sores. To heal the mucous membranes in your mouth, add a tablespoon of Himalayan salt in a cup of warm water and swish it in your mouth after every meal. This method will eliminate bad bacteria and support healing. Weight loss. Drink 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water if you want to speed your metabolism. Lemon's polyphenols prevent weight gain and boost insulin sensitivity, which aid in burning fat. Nausea. Your upset stomach can be soothed with black pepper, while lemon scent stops nausea. Mix a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a teaspoon of black pepper in a tall glass of warm water. Drink slowly until you feel better. Asthma attack. This mixture should always be kept on hand if you or some of your family is asthmatic. To prepare it, add 10 grains of pepper, 2 clove buds and 15 basil leaves in a cup of boiling water. Leave it simmer for 15 minutes and strain the mixture in a glass jar with a lid. Add 2 tablespoons of raw honey and let it cool. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks and take it with milk to make it taste better. Toothache. Mix half a teaspoon each of ground pepper and clove oil to heal an aching tooth. Apply the mixture on your sore tooth. In order to prevent toothache, floss and brush your teeth 2 times a day. Also, it is important to avoid sugary or acidic foods. Cold and flu. Squeeze half a lemon in a large cup of boiled water if you want to get rid of a common cold. Let the pulp and peel steep in the water for 10 minutes. Remove the lemon and add a spoonful of organic war honey. Drink the remedy as needed until you feel relieved. Nosebleed. Apply a little lemon juice on a cotton ball and place it in the nostril. Tilt your head slightly forward to stop the blood dripping into the throat and prevent nausea. Your nosebleed will stop immediately. Thanks for taking the time to read this article. If you found this information helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Your support in our endeavor of sharing free information would be much appreciated.